Long before the Philippines was colonized by foreign powers, our islands were already connected to the wider world. Across the seas, traders traveled between different communities in Southeast Asia, carrying goods, exchanging products, and sharing ways of life. And among the many objects that traveled through these networks were ceramic wares.
But what exactly is a ceramic? Ceramic are objects made from clay that are shaped and fired at high temperatures, making them hard and durable. In pre-colonial Southeast Asia, ceramic wares were valuable objects that could be traded, exchanged, and used by different communities.
So how did these pieces find their way to our shores? The answer lies in trade. Because of its location, the Philippines was connected to nearby regions including Borneo and the Malay world. Travelers traveled across the seas, bringing different goods, knowledge, technologies, and ways of living to communities throughout the region. Today, a ceramic plate may seem like an ordinary object. We reach for it at breakfast, at lunch, and at dinner, and of course at every Filipino celebration where somehow there's always more food than plates are holding.
But behind this simple object is a much longer story. The Filipino table we gathered around today was shaped by centuries of contact between cultures. Ceramics are just one thread in that legacy, still visible in our everyday life.
Centuries have passed, generations have come and gone, customs have shifted, ways of living have transformed entirely, but some things remain. From ancient trade routes to the Filipino table today, ceramics wares have become part of who we are. But the real question is, just how much can one ceramic plate endure?
Pasensya na sa huling gumising dyan. Maubos na namin yung ulam. Anong ulam? Yung pinggan ko. Wala nang pinggan? Ubus na? Saan mo nakuha yan? Akin yan! Pinggan ko yan! Akin nga to. Meron dyan? Akin lang to. Walang sayo, Celine.
Matagal ko nang nararamdaman na may kulang. Tila may isang bagay na hindi ko matagpuan. Hindi ko nga lang alam kung ano ito.
Hoy! Ready sila! Sige, susunod ako!
Hanggang sa araw na iyon, nakita ko na rin sa wakas ang matagal ko nang hinahanap. Isang bagay na alam kong para sa akin. Hindi ko alam kung saan ito hahantong, ngunit alam kong ito na. Isang bagay na kahit sa kabila ng matinding pagbagsak, nanatiling buo. Hindi nababasag, hindi sumusuko, nananatiling matatag. na kahit sa gitna ng matinding panganib, nanatili sa aking tabi. Hindi tinatablan, hindi nagpapatinag. Isang bagay na kahit laging naharap sa panganib, hindi bumibitaw, nagiging sandalan, nagiging panangga.